Welcome to this CommunityViz video tutorial. This tutorial walks through the Network License Server installation process. You can find the Network License Server download on our website under CommunityViz Resources near the bottom of the page. Before installing, make sure your user account has administrator privileges and Microsoft.NET Framework 3.5 is installed. You should also make sure that the license server and client computers are able to communicate over the network and that IPv6 is enabled on the network adapter. You can enable IPv6 on the network adapter by going to Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center, opening the network adapter status window, viewing the network adapter properties, and making sure that the box next to Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6, is checked. If this item is not in the list, you can add it using the Install button and adding the IPv6 protocol. Once you have set up the environment, run the license server installer.exe and follow the installation instructions. After installation, it is important to activate the license before starting the license server service. To activate the license, go to your Start menu, All Programs, CommunityViz. Select the folder License Server and open Activate License. On the Select License Type screen, choose Network License Server. On the next page, enter your license ID and password in the fields provided. Finish the wizard and then configure the license server service. Open the Start menu and browse to CommunityViz License Server. Click License Server Controller to open the server status and setup application. If one or more of the license server settings have not been initialized, you will automatically be taken to the License Server Settings window. Here you can specify the port number, license file, and log file that the server will use. Verify these settings and click OK. If you want to change any of the settings later, go to View Settings from the License Server Controller. Then in the License Server Controller window, press Start and start the service. Note the server name and port number. This information will be required when setting up network clients. To connect clients, open the License Activation Wizard on the client machine from Start, All Programs, CommunityViz, Activate License. Choose the Network License option and then enter the server name and port number where the network license server is set up. Finish the wizard and launch Scenario 360. The client computer will connect to the network license server and check out a license. Thank you for watching this CommunityViz video tutorial. For more video tutorials and CommunityViz resources, please visit our website.